Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and today we are going to talk about the Oriental Blue Tonic, a method that has been generating a lot of buzz lately but that many people don't fully understand. In this video, I'll explain how it works. The Oriental Blue Tonic, also known as Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, is a formula designed to reduce excess body fat sustainably. This innovative formula relies on an exclusive blend of 8 carefully selected natural ingredients, proven to target potential causes of unexplained weight gain related to exposure to blue light and lack of N-REM sleep. Taking Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is really easy. Just mix 1 scoop of powder with water and drink it every day before bedtime. This way you'll get a powerful dose of nutrients that will burn fat, even while you sleep. Honestly, I'm truly amazed by the results of this incredible method that previously made me skeptical. So if, like me, you want to lose weight while still enjoying the foods you love, I recommend trying this entirely natural method. For a thorough understanding of how this method works and to get all the necessary information to get started, I strongly encourage you to visit the official website. Additionally, by purchasing through the official website, you'll benefit from a 90-day money-back guarantee. The link is available in the video description and the first pinned comment. Pay close attention to all the information, as it's crucial to help you achieve the body shape you desire.